So for this question, right, we are supposed the roots to the equation of 3x squared plus x minus 4 are alpha and beta. Okay, can find the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha plus 2 beta and 2 alpha plus beta. Means we are trying to remember that the things that we know is that x squared minus the sum of the roots multiplied with x plus the product of the roots, right, will provide with us the original quadratic equation. Okay, so here if you're coming up with the new equation, this new quadratic equation, right, new quadratic equation here, the roots are alpha plus beta, 2 beta and 2 alpha. It means that this part it will basically be alpha plus 2 beta and plus adding with 2 alpha plus beta. Okay, so this portion will give us a total of 3 alpha plus 3 beta, and this portion will actually be so-called alpha plus 2 beta multiplied with 2 alpha plus beta. Okay, and then in itself will give us a total of 2 alpha square plus 4 alpha beta plus alpha beta plus 2 beta square. Now if I combine this and this, right, what I can actually get is I can get something like that. I can get 2 alpha plus beta bracket square. Okay, I'll just leave you to find it out, and plus finally last one, which is alpha beta. The strategy is always to try to express it in the form a linear combination of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Okay, then over from this side, okay, what is alpha plus beta? So alpha beta, remember, is equals to negative b over a. In this case, we have to first recognize the constants, correct, that a equals to 3, b equals to 1, c equals to minus 4. So alpha plus beta is equals to negative 1 over 3. And alpha beta will be negative c over negative 4 over 3. Okay, so over in this side, here, this would be 2. And then since alpha plus beta is negative 1 over 3, I'm going to put negative 1 over 3 here. And this is negative 4 over 3 here. Okay, so this will be negative 1 over 3 bracket square plus negative 4 over 3, which gives me an overall answer of negative 10 over 9. And over on this side is 3 bracket alpha plus beta, which is equals to 3 times of negative 1/3 to be negative 1. Okay, can so with that, the new equation basically is just x squared. Remember, you have found the new sum of roots, that is minus 1, the new product of root, which is minus 10 over 9. So the equation is just minus 1 of x is just minus x plus not plus, okay, maybe minus 10 over 9 to be equals to 0. Okay, sorry, it should be not minus, it should be plus. Okay, remember the sum roots is minus 1, so it's minus, so this one should be a plus. Okay, so this is for this question.